Hey guys. Today I've got two killer client success stories to share, total proof of how we solve big headaches for RV makers with custom solutions. Let's jump right in. First up, we recently crushed it for an RV manufacturer by fixing their biggest pain points with our one-key unlocking system and a custom latch bolt solution. It didn't just solve their problem, it made our partnership way stronger. This all started with a super common issue in the industry. Before working with us, this maker had all kinds of locks on their RVs, door locks, water inlet locks, compartment locks, each doing its job, but each with its own separate lock cylinder. That meant every RV needed a whole pile of keys. Not only did this make their production, inventory, and key management so tedious, but it was a nightmare for end users too, carrying around and organizing multiple keys just to use their RV. Total hidden pain point that dragged down the user experience. As soon as we heard that, our senior sales rep Sophia hopped on it right away with a targeted fix. A one-key unlocking system where multiple lock types share a single universal cylinder. This thing works with all the core RV lock spots, letting one key unlock 4 critical areas. How game-changing is that? Let's break down the key products they went with. A zinc alloy RV door lock that fits a 68 by 92 mm cutout and 32 to 38 mm thick door panels. A zinc alloy fishtail latch made for 1 to 7 mm thick panels. A zinc alloy plus nylon water inlet lock, 12 mm diameter, designed for 14 to 16 mm thickness. And a sliding panel lock with a cold-rolled steel face, zinc alloy handle, and stainless steel spindle. All of these seamlessly hooked into the one-key system. Once they got the samples and tested them, they were blown away. Loved the quality, how smooth everything felt, and that huge convenience factor. They locked in the order instantly. But then a little hiccup popped up. After the first batch was delivered and installed, the client hit us up. Their G09 compartment lock wasn't latching properly. We dug into it together, and the issue was clear fast. The latch bolt size on the G09 just didn't fit their existing compartment door design perfectly. Sophia got the factory on it immediately, sending over tech drawings for every latch bolt size we had. But none of them were a perfect match. Bummer, right? But here's where it gets good. Their team had a happy accident. They tried pairing our G09 lock body with their old compartment lock's latch bolt, and it worked flawlessly. So they sent us their old latch bolt sample and asked if we could make a custom one. Sophia teamed up with our engineering crew right away. We mapped it out precisely, analyzed the specs, and built a custom latch bolt to match their compartment door exactly. In the end, it fit the G09 lock body like a glove and fixed the latching issue for good. This one wasn't just about giving them a great lock solution. It let them really feel our service core. From spotting their pain point with the one-key system to fixing the problem fast with a custom part, we proved we're way more than just a standard product supplier. We're the kind of partner that listens, solves problems, and stays flexible. Now, let's talk about our second recent win. We've got a long-time Australian partner, and we wanted to help them expand their local market. So we built a range of custom lock solutions tailored exactly to their brand vibe and design needs, giving them unique products to stand out in the high-end market. This project focused on 3 of our top lock models, each picked for their specific use cases. First up, the S6209 square push-button lock. Fits a specific cutout size and installation spot, with a compact design and solid performance. Total go-to for basic setups. Next, the S6209-2 rectangular push-button handle lock. Made specifically for 15 to 18 mm thick door panels. The integrated button and handle is both easy to use and looks sleek, super cohesive. And then, the P07 sliding cabinet lock. Fits precise cutout specs, and that sliding mechanism is perfect for high-use spots like RV cabinets, safe and user-friendly. To make these feel even more high-end and unique, we stepped up our surface game, developing 3 custom finishes: gold-brushed, copper-brushed, and gunmetal brushed. These don't just look amazing, that fine metal texture is chef's kiss. They also match their brand perfectly, helping them stand out in the luxury market. Right now, the gunmetal brush samples are done and ready to ship to our Australian partner for approval. Once they give the green light, we'll kick off mass production ASAP, with strict quality checks and fast turnaround to keep their market expansion on track. In this super competitive RV market, our core strengths never change: customer-focused innovation, fast response service, and rock-solid quality. Whether it's simplifying key management with an all-in-one system or building custom parts for unique needs, we're here to help RV makers worldwide boost efficiency and level up the user experience. Got custom lock needs? Hit me up in the comments. Or click the link in my bio for all the deets. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Next time, we'll show you more RV lock products. See you soon.